It's a seafood boil, and it has raw shrimp, corn on the cob, mussels, red skin potatoes, and sausage. We're gonna be doing something a little different because when you go to a restaurant, it's cost about $25, and I don't really want to do that. So I just found this for $9.99 and this $7 a pound. So we're gonna be making it. It could feed about 2 people or more with the crab. All right, guys. First we have to prep it. So let's open this up. Before we do that, put the crab in. We have to fill this up with water. About halfway. All right, now that it's halfway filled up, we're gonna put the top back on. And then we're gonna put the crab on top of the steamer. Yep, they're frozen. And now we're gonna turn on the stove. Now we're gonna put it to medium. Just let it cook good for about 15 minutes since it's still frozen. Now we're gonna prep our seafood boil from Aldi's. And it says that we have to put 2 quarts, which is 8 cups of water. Now we're gonna cut this open and we're gonna remove the Cajun powder. Whoa, look at that. Now that we got our water into a boil, we're gonna put the Aldi seafood boil inside. Ooh, my goodness. Said to put like a little more than a half of the seasoning. And we're gonna stir it. So let me get wooden spoon. While that boils, I'm gonna cut some lime and green onions. Now we're gonna squeeze the lime inside the boil. Now we're gonna cut the green onions with my cooking scissors. The green onions in the boil. Look at this crab. My dad's gonna put the crab in the boil. So let's get the wooden spoon and just stir it around. More Cajun. We're gonna let it sit for 6 minutes. Our Aldi seafood boil is finally completed. We're gonna put some Cajun seasoning on top for our finishing touches. And that's perfect. And it's ready to serve for everybody. Let's put these closer. I'm getting a lot of crab. I love crab. Ooh. Alright, the moment we've been waiting for. Is it good? Alright, we're gonna try the corn on the cob. Ooh. Mmm. That's good. Alright, crab. Oh. Frick. Can't open. Oh. All that meat. Aldi seafood. 10 out of 10.